Have you ever wondered what makes a business partnership go downhill? Let's flip the script today and dive into how to ensure a miserable business partnership. Imagine you're in a bad marriage, where everything about your partner, even their messy personal life, drags into your shared space. Sound nightmarish? Exactly. Ensure that you and your partner have the same skills and knowledge. No unique experience or fresh perspective from either side. This means you're essentially sharing everything while duplicating what you both bring to the table. Half the pie for no extra benefit. Perfect recipe for disaster, right? Next, there's time. Make sure your partner's availability is just as limited as yours, or completely mismatched. If neither of you has time to invest in the business, you'll definitely stumble. And don't forget money. If neither of you has the financial backing the business needs, you'll be in for a rocky ride. Now, let's talk about expectations. Don't bother writing anything down or making any agreements. Just wing it. After all, talking about expectations is uncomfortable, and who needs clarity anyway? This lack of communication ensures misunderstandings and resentment later on. And here's a classic move. Give away everything at the start. Whether it's equity or effort, going all in while doing all the work on your own will lead to that sweet buildup of resentment. Or, if your partner is doing the heavy lifting, just sit back and let them. Watch the tension rise. This is a problem, don't you agree? We are here to help you prevent that. Check our website in the description below. We can facilitate the process of business partnership. Also, another excellent strategy for chaos is having misaligned goals. If you both want to take the business in different directions but never discuss it, even better. Add in conflicting values and you'll have a never-ending cycle of conflict. And don't forget about lifestyle compatibility. If you're a saver and your partner is a spender, those personal choices will seep into the business dynamics. When forming partnerships, remember, if your partner brings nothing new to the table, be it time, money, or knowledge, you're already on the path to failure. Just because you need a service doesn't mean you need to partner up. Sometimes, hiring is the way to go. Contracts might seem boring, but they're key for setting clear expectations. They're not about legal battles, but about ensuring everyone's on the same page from the get-go. Align your missions and values, and find someone whose interests align with yours. And remember, we are here to make this process easier. Check our website. So there you have it. Following these steps guarantees a terrible partnership. But if you want success, look for partners with complementary skills, shared goals, and similar values. You'll create a thriving business environment instead. Don't know how to do this? Legal registration is the way to go. This video was brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For more help, visit our website or call 877-955-7111. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.